Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys the difference between filming with a ring light and filming with your natural window and just one light. So I ordered my ring light from Lazada and they just brought it now. Digging inside, let's see what they brought for me. So guys, it comes like this and I'll be showing you guys what is inside. I think this is the ring filled light, the round circle that comes with the lights. I've not used it before, so let's just do it together. See, I think this one is like a tripod. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. I told you guys I'm really ready. I'm back for good. Wow, it's so long. It's just like my height. So, okay, I think you have to using it first. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know how to use it. Okay. Shit. Okay. Let's just see. How can I use it? Oh. Wow, it's so long. Yeah, I love it. So there we go. Okay. So guys, finally my baby's here. I'm super excited to show you guys the final look. It actually took me more than 1 hour to get this fixed, but finally, here you go. It actually has a cord, so in the charger just to plug it in and you see. So now I have to plug it using the charger. So I just plugged it now and it shows a blue light. So I think the blue light is to on it. So let's give it a try. Wow, here you go. So this is the difference, you see, using the ring light and using the normal light. So you can actually reduce the temperature of the lights by pressing the minus sign like this. I think this is the lowest. This is the lowest and this is the highest. Yeah, wow. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so you can also change the color of the lights. If you don't like this, you can also change it using the the other button. You see? Yeah. So you can increase and you can also decrease. So the lights will not be like this. It has to be at the back of the camera. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like the video and share it to your friends, and don't forget to follow me up on my Facebook and on my Instagram. See you guys on the next video. I love you so much.